Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable autoplay on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the devices tile. And then on the left side, you want to select autoplay versus use autoplay for all media and devices. You can go ahead and toggle that to the on position. And then you can also change the autoplay defaults for removable drives as well as memory cards just by clicking on the respective drop-down menus. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.